Hey, good morning everyone. My name is Vipin Kumar, and in this video we are going to compile, build, test and deploy Angular JS sample application on Tomcat environment. So what is the Angular JS? Angular JS is a JavaScript framework for building client-side application by using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. AngularJS is a modern application for the cloud native environment. It is a complete manual process and we are converting this process into CI and CD framework later. So let's begin. You can find source code of this application on my GitHub account. Let's clone it. It has completed. You can use any IDE to open the AngularJS project. I am using Visual Studio Code. You can open AngularJS project to compile, build and test the AngularJS application. We required npm on the machine. So what is the npm? Basically npm is a module or package manager for JavaScript deployment on both the client and server side like NuGet in ASP.NET. npm basically download and manage all the dependency that is required by a project or defined in a package.json file. You can download and install npm on your machine. I have already installed npm on my Windows 10 machine. I'm using npm 6.4.1. This application also required Angular 8.0.1 and Angular CI 8.0.3. You can check the Angular version on your machine like this. I'm using Angular and Angular CLI 8.1.0, so I'm okay. If you are running old version of Angular, then you can uninstall it, install it once again with the latest version of Angular CLI. I have already downloaded and opened the AngularJS project in Visual Studio Code. Let me open the terminal. You can check npm and AngularJS version from this terminal. Great. First we require to download all the dependency of this application that is defined in a package.json file. These are dependency of this application. npm is going to download all the dependencies for this application. Let's go ahead and download all the dependencies. You can install modules or package globally or project wise. If you install the package or module globally, then it is going to be installed for the entire npm framework. If you install the module or package for the project wise, it is only applicable only for the project. It is downloading all the dependencies or module for this project. Okay, all the required dependency has been downloaded and installed. Let's go ahead, compile and build this application for the production environment. If you look at the content of package.json file, we are using couple of the script for this project like ng-build to compile and build the application, ng-serve to run the application on local environment, ng-test to perform the test, ng-e2e to perform end-to-end test. We are building this application for the production environment, so base href will be dot. Let's go ahead and build the application. Application successfully built and compiled. Build are stored in dist folder. Now let's start a test on this application. We are using Karma for the unit test. You can read more about Karma on this website. In our project, we have a config file for the Karma unit test. This is the configuration file for the unit test. All the reports are going to be generated in HTML file under the test folder. You can perform the test by issuing the command ng test. It is launching the Chrome and perform the unit test and close it. Unit test has been completed and all the reports has been saved in test folder. You can access unit.html file to check the test result. Let me open it. This is the file. You can check 22 test was initiated and 100% success, no error, no failure, no skip, and it took around 3 minutes to be complete unit test. Apart from unit test, this project included a end-to-end testing module by using Protractor. You can read more about Protractor on their website. You can launch end-to-end test by issuing the command ng e2e. It is going to launch a Chrome and give you end user experience. Now you can navigate all the options and you can test each and every settings to complete the end-to-end testing. Once you complete your end-to-end testing, just go ahead and close it. You want to terminate job? Yes. Now your application ready to deploy on the Tomcat environment. You need to copy all the content from dist folder to Tomcat machine. Okay, this is my Tomcat machine and I copied all the content from dist folder to Pet Clinic. Now you can access the AngularJS application on the browser. This is the server IP address and Pet Clinic is a content folder. Yes, I can access AngularJS application on Tomcat machine. So this is the complete process for the compile, build, test and deploy on the Tomcat environment. Yes, it is a manual process. We are going to convert the entire manual process into CI/CD pipeline in coming video. Till now, thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.